how to buy Minecraft on Instant Gaming. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you buy Minecraft on Instant Gaming. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your device. So I'm opening the Chrome browser. And now after this, you'll have to search in the search field for Minecraft. Okay. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and find the official website of Minecraft. So it will be like minecraft.net. So simply you have to open this website, and now from here you will have to scroll down and go the options get Minecraft. So simply you have to tap on it. Alright, so now from here scroll down and choose the platform whom you want to download it. So it will be like your iOS, Android, Chromebook or Xbox. So right now I'm choosing the Android. Alright, so after you choose any platform from that website, you will be redirected to the specific Play Store, App Store or any platform to download that game. So after there you will be able to buy this game and enjoy on your device. So this is the easiest and simplest method to buy Minecraft game on your device. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.